Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Kicking off the Tinker Day. Going to be a record-breaking heat day, so gotta service the AC and head to the junkyard, get the hose I need to fix James's AC system, then get back here, take the parts off of that all-wheel drive setup I need to remove, ship out some parts, clean up my car, get stuff out of storage so I can hit the road tomorrow morning. That's where I'm at. Let me get this AC serviced. Here we go, folks. Back at 2 Stack Jacks. I think they got the part I need out here. They should have 3 cars that have what I need. Man, I can't even get in here. It's so tight. They need to make a spot, a lane for people to walk in at least. Get over here to the European models and find the Volvos. When you don't have time to wait for new parts to arrive, or new parts are no longer available, best to find the junkyard. Oh, if you needed that windshield, it's gone.
I was already trying.
Somebody left a dumbbell in here. I guess it's a worker. He threw that dumbbell right into that windshield. Most of the time they crack the windshields, but I guess they stopped lifting the cars up by the roofs like that and started going under them, cracking the oil pans and whatnot. So about half the cars have windshields still, half don't. As they replace them, there'll be more windshields available. Look like somebody down here on these Volvos. Hope I can find my part. I don't remember if I cut mine off. Uh-oh. C70's gone. Been replaced with this. Maybe a 740 wagon or something, or a 960 wagon. See what we got here. A new placement. 940 wagon GLE. This is kind of rare. See what kind of engine it has in it. Yes, it has the highly coveted 16 valve head on there. Don't know if I got time to get that or not. Couldn't get this line out without dropping the radiator out of this XC70. So we're going to try another round at it. Get this thing out of here. Let's do it. Went back, got a couple of tools. Yes, folks, it is 92 degrees out here. I'm sorry, 91. My car says 91. The weather thing on my phone says 91. It's 91. Anyway, I'm here because James said he would like his AC working before I leave town. So I'm going to fix this, go run a few errands, do my thing, and get out of here. So let's go ahead and change this line, service this air conditioner, and get out of here. I'm going to have to cut this metal that cut into that hose down here. So most of the time, unless someone has found, this latch over here is holding. Yikes. Jammed the water bottle in here and then pulled it and it came up. So I'm gonna try to lower this latch a little bit. I think it's too high. Doesn't have any pressure helping it to release, so I had to stick a water bottle in the grill to get this latch to release. So I'm gonna try to lower it see if that helps. Right now it is too high. Anyway, let's get in here, take this line loose. I got my battery on the charger because it was low. Coolant settled down, so I'm gonna top that off and try to get this serviced and get out of here. Oh man, I forgot I needed a couple of clips for this blanket here. Gotta try to remember that for my next visit. I was able to get the screw out of the top, but could not get the screw out of the bottom. Too tight, couldn't get the bit all the way in, rusted, whatever. So I'm gonna cut that off, then get the threaded part out, cut this bracket off so it don't cut into the next hose, and put a replacement line in here. Got that screw cut off, half the line cut, some of the line end trim, but that should pop off. So let me get a little pry tool, try to pop that off, then work on cutting out this bracket. Got this bracket up here cut off. Now I can put this line in and charge the system. Once I cut the head of that screw off, I was able to turn the rest of it out with my finger. So I'm gonna wipe this off, plug that in, screw it in, and we should be good to go because the hose is not touching where that bracket was anymore. We should be good to go. We're gonna start the car, turn AC on max, service it, and check for leaks. It's serviced and I don't see any leak either connection, so we are good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this thing down and get back to the house. Pick up my wallet. Left the house without my wallet. I am officially done running errands. Picked up some wheels from my buddy Andrew for Byron if he wants to use them. They need to be repainted, whatever, but he can do that. He got 3 wheels, he needs 4. Also, I came home to grab my wallet, and wow, I've been tagged again. I need to move these vehicles before I get a ticket. Ah, they said they want a tow. Let's see here. Remove from street. Say they're abandoned. Not sure what these are supposed to mean, how long this is supposed to last, but I gotta move these vehicles. I'm gonna move one off the street and move one around. Play their little game. Ring around the rosy or whatever they got, but I need to air up the tires on this one. I got wheels and tires for this, and I need to check to see if somebody wants to buy this thing. Can't remember if I got a black hood for it or not, but I think the hood on this thing was damaged. That's why I swapped it. Rusted or dented or something. So let me see if somebody wants this thing on a quick. If not, I'm gonna get it off the street. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.